Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I haven't done a bold red lip and black eyeliner, like winged eyeliner, in so long. I just thought I might as well just do it just for a change. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please just keep on watching. So to prime my face, I'm going to use my That Girl brightening primer, face primer. I love this. I want this to be like a really nice dewy, glowy kind of like look. So that's why I'm applying a illuminating primer. So I like to put it on my cheekbones to start with, and like on my forehead. And then I just take whatever's left and rub it in the rest of my face. I'm then going to spray my face with my BADESCU Rose Water Spray. This just like rehydrates the skin, makes it less dry. So for foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two together. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Ivory Beige, and this is the Maybelline Superstay in the shade True Ivory. This is just, I love this foundation, but it's just very light for me, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of this just because it's a darker foundation. So I'm going to pop some on the back of my hand. Once I've made a good shade, I'm just going to dot this all over my face and blend it out with my Morphe Y6. Cover up like the blueness under my eyes, I'm going to use my NYX Dark Conceal Concealer. This is in the shade Light, it's 02. I like to pick that up with my ring finger and press that under my eyes. I like to take this on my lids as well, just to cover up any blue veins I've got, which is a lot of veins going on. Concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm going to use this under my eyes and chin, forehead, nose, sort of like everywhere where I want to sort of like highlight. I love this concealer, it's one of my favourites at the moment, but a little really does go a long way. To cream contour, I'm actually going to use my Primark cream contour little duo thing going on. One's darker, this one's the lighter side. Oh, can't do it. This one's the lighter side and this one's the darker side. I'm going to go ahead and use the lighter side to start with, and then if I need to darken it slightly, I'll use the darker side. I actually really like this contour stick. Like, it's so easy to blend out. Sometimes they can be really drying and dry really fast on your skin, so it can be harder to blend out. But this one's so creamy. I'm going to take that on my nose as well. So now I'm done with all my creams. I'm going to go ahead and set. Now obviously if you watch my videos regularly, you know by now that I love my RCMA translucent loose powder to set under my eyes and my eyelids, just because I get a lot of like creasing under my eyes and also on my lids. I like to set it with a loose powder. So I'm going to take this one. I like to just take it on like a brush like this. This is the Spectrum C06, like, I don't even know what this is called, but this type of brush. So I like to just dip it in, tap off the excess, and just press it under my lids. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade 1. This is Fair. Moving on to contour, I'm going to obviously use what I always use, my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I love this palette, it's my favourite. I'm going to go ahead and take the middle shade, and I'm just going to warm up my skin with this. I'm going to quickly fill in my brows with the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows. This is in the shade Bridget, I think it says. It's kind of faded, but I think that says Bridget. Who knows? So I literally just comb this through. It like tints them slightly. Well, it doesn't tint them, but it like fills them in and sets them as well. So 2 in 1. Can't get much better than that. Now for the eyes, as I think I'm going to be doing a red lip, because I haven't done a red lip in so long, and maybe even a winged liner. Like I never do wing liner anymore. I don't know why, I just never do it. I just feel like it doesn't suit me, but I feel like I want to go outside of the box and just try it again and see if I like it. I don't know. So as I am doing that, I'm not going to do too much with the eyes. I'm going to go in with my, what one is this? 15D Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go in with the shade Editor. I'm just going to be blending this into my crease, right from the inner corner right out to the outer corner. I just want something to define the shape of my eye, just a little bit. Ever so slightly on the outer part of the lid, and then blending it right out. I'm just going to take a pencil brush and pick up that same shadow, and I'm going to run that under my lower lash line to smoke it out. I'm going to take the Dose of Colours Pixie Dust. This is a eye duo. The top is kind of like the primer, and then the bottom is the pigment. So I'm going to take this on a detailed shader. This is by Zoeva as well. I'm going to pick up some of that primer, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corner. There's like a little highlight. I'm then going to go into the pigment side, just using the same brush, and pick up some of that. And I'm going to pop that into the inner corner as well. And then just for my lid, I'm going to go into my KYLIE BYBEL palette, and I'm going to pick up this highlight shade. It's like a pinky shade, but on the lid it comes out like a nice sort of like soft pink. So I'm going to apply that just on with my finger over the whole lid. Now moving on to eyeliner. I'm actually really scared because I haven't done eyeliner in so long. I feel like it's going to be like so wonky. But I'm going to use this NYX matte eyeliner. Now I really like this one. It dries down really quickly and it just doesn't budge all day, which is so good. And I just like the wand on it. It's like super thin, so you can get like a really nice precise line. Okay, this is the part where I stop breathing for a second. I'm going to take it right into the inner corner of my eye. Just so it kind of elongates it, makes it look a little bit bigger. Like if you bring your eyeliner down towards this area, it completely changes the shape of it, more of like a cat's eye effect, but it does actually make it look a lot bigger. Now I've got to match them up. I'm going to pop some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. This one's the Max Factor Velvet Volume. Then for lashes, I'm applying the ARDEL Demi Whispies. Just to open my eyes up just a little bit, I'm going to use this white eyeliner in the shade Coconut. It's by Morphe. And I'm going to run this along my inner waterline. I'm going to highlight using my KYLIE BYBEL palette, and I'm going to pick up the same shade that I used on my lid, which is this like pinky, coppery kind of tone. I'm going to take that down my nose as well. and on the end. Also on my Cupid's bow. Love a Cupid's bow highlight. Then for my lips, I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner Cocoa range. This is in the shade Dull. It's like a really nice, like bright orangey red. Then to set everything and to melt all the powders into my skin, I'm going to be using the new MAC Fix Plus. This is in Pink Light. So it's got like little, like, I don't know what it is, like iridescent stuff inside. A big shape. Like, look how cool that looks. I don't know if you can see it properly. But like, it's all like iridescent-y and like, ooh. Just looks so cool. It looks so cool. Like, it's made my skin look really like dewy and glowy. Ooh. I know they do another colour of these. I think it's like a more of like a tan, sort of like brown colour that you can put all over your body, which would look so cool. So this is the final result. I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I actually love how it turned out, and I don't know, maybe I might start wearing winged eyeliner and a red lip more often because I do really like it. I just think sometimes the black eyeliner is a bit harsh on me, like because I'm quite pale and I've got like red hair. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know. So yeah, I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I do new videos.